How to fix background app refresh grayed out on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Is the background app refresh option grayed out on your iPhone? Don't worry. Here's how to fix it quickly. First, open settings and go to screen time. If screen time is enabled, check for restrictions. Tap on content and privacy restrictions, then select background app activities. Ensure it's set to allow. If it's still grayed out, check if low power mode is turned on. You can find this under settings, then go to battery and turn it off. And background app refresh will be accessible again. Next, background app refresh also needs a network connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix the issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.